Hello eBayers! Today I'm showing you what I have for sale, my ADS 630X car power plate amplifier. This is a 6-channel amplifier, super high fidelity. I bought it around about 1994 and I used it for 5 or 6 years and then it's been in storage. So it's time to pass it on to somebody who will use it. This side of the amplifier we have, you come a little closer, we have settings for the volume on the different channels and the frequency crossover settings. So typically channel 1, 2 is your front left and right, 3, 4 is your rear left and right, and 5, 6 is your subwoofer. And that is the way it is set up right at the moment. So we'll leave that there. Go around to the connection side of the amplifier and currently have it set up with 12 volt power, and we'll do channel 1, 2 input. So this would be the front of the car, and we'll show you that channel 1, 2 is working.
No good faces and a bad women.
That's channel 1, 2, that's right. That's channel 1, that's front right. This is channel 2, that's front left. And now we'll switch over to channel 3, 4. We'll do channel 4, which is back left. That's working. And then channel 3, which is back right. That's working as well. We'll also show the subwoofer channel, which is 5, 6 together. And hold this microphone right up by the speaker and we can hear the low frequencies. That would be the subwoofer. I don't have a subwoofer right here, but you get the idea. And we'll do one more. We'll set up channel 3, 4 and we'll turn the volume up a little bit to show how nice and musical the system is. It's super quiet and sweet sounding.
Who stole my patience? Who stole my way? I'm too tired to try. Let's not get ahead of ourselves. There's no need for rain, it's our own rain. Let's not be afraid of our reflection. It's not only you you're looking at now. Let's not get ahead.
Thanks everyone for watching and good luck bidding. Thanks.